Jill for today, and I have a grocery haul, and it's Weight Watcher, friendly. So I'm going to have the director bring it down, and I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, I got some non-fat Greek yogurt, and I got these wonderful Thomases. These are 100 calories, and they're 3 points for a full English muffin. These are really good. We're really enjoying those. And I got some onions and a couple of bananas. Now, this was the deal of the day. I got these at Costco, my little light laughing cows. And this I got for $7.99, and it was $2.50 off.
That's $5.49.
Okay. Now, we saw these at Winco, which is our discount grocery store, and they were $3.28
each. And you got these for $1.82.
So there you go. Great deal. Great deal. And a couple of
Guilty Pleasures.
And this is for some company that we have coming over next week. I bought them. They're going to be tucked away. I do know these have some pretty good points, but I just don't get into desserts. It's just not wise. Got some kiwi. Loving the kiwi. And a bag of the little mini, sweetie pies or whatever they're called. A couple of containers of chicken broth.
Organic, free range.
And a carton of fat-free half and half for my coffee. This is this bacon. I don't know whether you can get Hempler's where you live. It's a beautiful bacon. It's thick cut, and it's got a wonderful flavor, and it's uncured, and it's 1 point
per slice.
So this is a winner, and I cook it all up. I cook it the heck out of it to get as much fat out of it as I can, and then I freeze the slices and then bring them out when we want breakfast. I bought 2 of the baby spinach boxes. Here again was a beautiful discount on these organic raspberries at Costco. These were $7.99. It is kind of a splurge, but I did buy them. And I bought a loaf of the Fran's Organic Thin Sliced, another really good bread, a 12-pack of LaCroix, plain water, and then a flat of organic Fuji's. So we get to put all this away, and then we're going to have lunch because we are hungry. Anyway, that's the haul. I do. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you later. Bye-bye.